I'm just getting ready to throw together some southern fried cabbage, so I'm bringing you all with me so you can get the full experience and make some yourself. It's so simple. So first, olive oil. Organic's better for me. I'm just going to put a little bit in my pan here. Just enough so when I fry this bologna, it doesn't get burnt. So you can use turkey bacon or just bacon and chop it up and throw it in there, but I'm using our homemade bologna right now. Turn your oven a little above medium. Get it really sauteing good, frying good in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add about a teaspoon of salt and pepper, just however much you like. We aren't overly fond of a ton, so I just sprinkle a little bit in there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut up the cabbage. So this is, I don't know, probably on the larger side. And we're going to use 1 onion. So I got that so far. Your meat, your salt, and your pepper. I already have that going. I'm gonna cut up the onion and cabbage, and as soon as the meat's ready, I'm gonna throw the rest of the ingredients in.
Let's go this way. Come get Daddy. Come on,
Okay, so now here we have our meat. See how good that looks? We're gonna go ahead and add the cabbage and the onion. That was just part of the cabbage. It'll all fit. And cabbage really cooks down, so you need a big pan to start out. But all this is going to cook down to, I don't know, 2/3 of the amount, half of the amount. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of sugar. Not much, just a little bit for flavor. Put your lid on and let that cook down for, stir it occasionally, let it cook for maybe, 15 minutes to a half an hour, depending on how hard you're cooking it and how much you have in one pan. So, looks good so far. Okay, now in Spanish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
7.
8, 9, 10.
Good job! So here it is. We like it cooked maybe a little bit longer than this, but you can really suit your own taste. If you like it a little bit more soft, cook it a little longer. If you like a little crunch left, then this would be perfect for you. So it's really as easy as that. Hope you enjoyed this video.